The Nike Air Zoom Huarache 2K4 White/Varsity Red is officially making its return in summer 2026, adding even more excitement to the model's big comeback this year. This silhouette holds a special place in sneaker history, acting as a perfect bridge between two generations of basketball footwear. It became a signature staple for Kobe Bryant early in his time with Nike, and it remains one of the most respected designs from the 2000s. Bringing back this classic colorway is a direct nod to that rich heritage fans have loved for decades. True to its original 2004 build, this retro stays faithful to what made it so great. It features a crisp, white leather upper that gives it a clean, premium foundation, contrasted perfectly by bold Varsity Red accents and sharp black details that add balance and definition. This timeless color combination still looks just as fresh today as it did over 20 years ago. Proof of just how influential this design was in shaping performance style back in the mid-2000s. Every key element remains untouched. The distinctive sculpted heel counter that provides stability, the signature Huarache inner sleeve for a snug fit, and of course the responsive Zoom Air cushioning underfoot that delivers that smooth, bouncy feel players loved. Most importantly, Jordan Brand has kept the exact original shape and proportions, something longtime collectors and fans will recognize and appreciate instantly. This isn't just another retro drop. It's the return of a true icon that blends performance, history, and timeless style. Whether you remember it from its first run or you're discovering it now, the Air Zoom Huarache 2K4 White/Varsity Red brings back the look and feel that made it a legend.